Also, coming to the expenses of all these treatments, like how do we get it to the ones who really need it? Like the ones, when it comes to cancer treatment, almost every diagnostic expense is just too much, way beyond how a
Yes.
normal person would want to just go and get a test done just to see if they have cancer or not.
The reason for that is, first, no one thinks of a cancer. Everyone will
Right.
think of tuberculosis. Everyone think of everything except cancer. Uh,
Sorry to cut you, doctor. Also, something where while doing my research here, came upon this thing that said even a very normal symptom, say being constipation, people have gone to doctors for that and landed up having cancer.
exactly.
So, how exactly you can proceed? Yeah, I just wanted to
Expenses.
add that. Sorry.
No, no. What we need is we need to create awareness. People in our country have a very high tolerance range for pain. Very high tolerance range for pain. And I'll tell you the sad part. The sad part of is that because they don't have money, they think अगर मैं डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगा तो 10,000 का खर्चा करवाएगा, कुछ तो निकलता नहीं है.
Okay.
And
That is the attitude.
that is the sad part, because we are a developing nation. We cannot run away from it. Most of our patients, most of our poor patients need to be taken care of in a government-sponsored institution care. And the institution needs to be of that level. But people don't reach them. They will go to a BAMS, BHMS, who might or might not know about it. He might just give them a laxative for constipation and send them back. The first thing is, even a general surgeon will always put in his finger, wear a glove, and see, can he palpate anything for constipation?
Right.
But the patient has to reach the right person. They
Correct.
cannot say, or I don't know if you felt that, सर दर्द होने पे आप कितने बार डॉक्टर के पास गए?
Yeah, exactly.
आप उसके पास जाके कैलकुल लेके 4 दिन वेट करते हो ना?
Yeah.
This is an Indian habit.
And even finding the right doctor, like
Exactly.
there are so many people talk about cancer being a business, and cancer, so many fraudsters in the middle of it trying to
Yes.
just play on the desperation of the patient.
That is, like I said, in the very starting, you have to be very clear what you're dealing with. Either you are aiming for a curative intent or a palliative intent. Imagine someone with breast cancer. They feel a lump. The poor lady goes to a doctor. The doctor is not a surgeon who doesn't understand anything about the basics of breast cancer. What he will do, he will refer it to some other person who knows how to remove a breast but has no knowledge about the biologics of breast cancer. He will do the surgery and they will send the patient to Tata Memorial Hospital, Homi Baba Cancer Hospital, any other tertiary government sponsored center. And there we do a scan, we try and stitch, and we see the cancer spread to the bones, to the liver, and there was no need of the surgery, because ultimately surgery, but the patient has already lost about 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees. To no avail.
Exactly.
To no avail.
To
So,
no avail. Yeah.
exactly. And they said, हमको बोला कि हम निकालना तो पड़ेगा ही, आप निकलवा लो, बाद में देखते हैं. And that is so sad.
It is very
So sad. And the interval gap, I'm telling you, patient will come to a person. I will not blame anyone. I will not disrepute anyone. Everyone plays their part. But there are people who do this. People will go to someone who doesn't know anything. Next day, the surgery will be scheduled, because otherwise the patient will have time to consult someone. Next day, 24 hours, the surgery will be done. The patient will be kept for peri-operative care for 4 weeks. 4 हफ्ते तक उनको कहीं नहीं भेजते. After 4 weeks, they will say, now you go to this institution, they will see the radiation and chemo. And no one knows if it was an aggressive cancer. In the 4 weeks, it might have spread from the breast to the liver.
Right. In 4 weeks, correct.
What was the point of doing the surgery without getting the patient scanned and staged? You're basically harming the patient more than you're curing the patient.
So that you're making more out of the patient, right?
Yes, I think general surgeon knows what to do. Just they have to be primed that if you feel a mass, stage it. Be clear in your treatment intent. If it has spread, do not operate. It takes 5 years to learn when to operate, 15 years to learn when not to operate. It is easy putting a knife, a needle. Difficult is stopping yourself saying, no, this is something which need not be touched. Let's work it up further. That is very important. And people are very shy because they think, the patient will go to another doctor. ठीक है, जाने दो. If everyone develops that thinking, nahi, I will do it by the book, everything will get straight.
Yeah.
A welcome change is the increase in the medical insurance cover of the general population, either via the PM Yojana, the various state schemes, or if people can afford it personally. That is so important.
Right.
If you are paying insurance, at least you have a basic backup. I'll tell you something which happened way back 6 years when I was an intern. Just cleared my MBBS working in a government hospital in West Bengal. I will not name it. I was posted over there. A lady came to us. She was having unconsciousness. We got a routine CBC done, a complete blood count. They showed atypical cells. We worked it up further. Came out as leukemia.
Okay.
I was the lowest part of the food chain, the intern. So in the evening, the father comes up to me and says, "Sahab, ठीक हो जाएगा ना?" In Bengali, in the native language. I said, "नहीं, उनको कैंसर नहीं ठीक होगा." He sat there. He told me, "साहब 6 महीना पहले शादी हुआ था, ससुराल वालों ने वापस भेज दिया बोल के कि लड़की में खराबी थी, तुमने जानबूझ के शादी करवा दी, ठीक होती है तो वापस भेज देना वरना भेजना मत."
Right.
आपको पता है कम से कम 1.5-2 लाख रुपया लगेगा. अब देखो कैसे कराओगे, मतलब सोच के करवाना. ही साहब हम तो घर और जमीन बेच देंगे. देखो आपके और बच्चे हैं क्या? बोले हाँ 2 और बच्चे हैं. मतलब आप सोच के करना. आप जमीन बेचोगे, आप कर्ज लोगे, लेकिन वो ठीक नहीं हो पाएंगे उस पैसे में. आप सोच के करना. एंड my posting changed. I never got to follow up.
Correct.
6 months later I was posted in Barwepur. It's a rural area. We have a rural postings. And that guy comes up to me. I don't even recognize him. I'll be very honest. He says, "साहब पहचाने क्या?" मैं बोला नहीं, क्या हो गया? बोले हमारी बेटी. मैं बोला हाँ क्या हुआ? बोले कुछ नहीं हो साहब, वो तो मर गए, हमारा घर बिक गया, जमीन बिक गई, हम ट्रेन में भीख मांग रहे. Can you just imagine what is the ordeal of that father who tried to cure his daughter after marriage, and the husband threw her out कि आपने हमें उसको बीमारी पता था. They knew nothing. We have to rid ourselves of these social. Have to. You need mental support, you need emotional support, you need psychological support. In the US, cancer treatment for liver cancer is primarily liver transplantation. They have a UNOS group, United Nations Organ Support Group. Familial support. Alcoholism is a very big pandemic over there. They have Alcoholic Anonymous. The first thing to get listed upon the transplant list is having a familial support, because they know without familial support people will relapse into drinking.
Exactly.
They will not list you on a transplant list if you do not have your family supporting you emotionally and psychologically. And that is so important. And we say we are a close-knit society. Lift up minimal fabric and you will see how fragmented we are.